said you have read the guide?
Yeah.
So this is your plane. It's going through the harness. This is the piece that goes out into the wing, apparently. And there's the work going on. You can see the harness in there. They got it all taped and painted, and here's the expert at work.
Well, here's the big jets.
So how much of old cabling actually gets removed and how much just gets unplugged?
Very, very little of the old cabling actually gets removed. Most of it's going to come out of your breaker box.
Okay.
There's about half a dozen wires there, and then we reset the breakers. You get 2 new 10 amps, and depending on what, if you got this airplane, put a 3 amp breaker in and a new 1 amp, and,
okay.
and then a couple of breakers just get moved. And then there's some wiring changes that come out from behind the center rack where the GPS used to be.
Right.
Since we no longer have the 430s, we take those out. And then I took out some unused wiring and some unused connectors.
And then you check. Do you check the Cirrus connectors that you have access to make sure they're all still connected correctly? And
yeah, like this harness is plug and play.
Okay.
This is your existing harness on the aircraft.
Okay.
And and some of this stuff just plugs into this new harness, and then the other stuff that we end up not using, like in these two, let's say from the original PFD,
right,
we'll probably take these connectors off,
okay,
and then with the cap is stowed. That way, it gets rid of this bulk and this extra little weight, but we'll leave this stuff. The actual harness will still be in here. You just won't have a connector on it.
Okay.
There's some of that. There's not a whole lot of that. There's some of that. Just a few things here and there.
Well, that's cool. Thanks a lot.